What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thanks a million for clicking on the video. Hopefully you do like this kind of stuff, just give my thoughts and opinions. And also, guys, we will be getting a project car pretty soon as well. Do check out my other videos and it'll be fucking dope if you want to smash the subscribe button, like button, and do comment below. I do read all your comments. I will get back in the comments Sunday, guys, but where I show all your comments every Sunday. But until people start commenting on the videos, yeah, we'll get back doing that. And again, I am sorry for being MIA, that I haven't posted in a while. Guys, I'm going away to Ibiza on September 4th for a week. Finally, I can get out of this dump of a country here in Ireland. I've just been training in the gym like a fucking lunatic. I'm literally like going to work, going to the gym. By the time I'm home and cooking my meals and stuff, it's just so late to be able to do videos, and just you know, I'll be honest, I haven't had the oomph you know, to go and make them. But you know, I've come up with a goal for the channel. I want to start pumping out content, and the AdSense money that we make, I want to buy a full roll of wrap. As I said, guys, if you're new, I have a wrap kit. I've got this heat gun, all the tools, I have everything there. I want to start wrapping, and I'm going to let you pick the color. I think that's fair. So I'm going to pick out maybe 4 or 5 colors, and we'll do a poll, and whatever color wins, whenever we get the project car, I'll wrap it in that color. I think that would be a pretty cool idea. And guys, yeah, it is hot as fucking balls here in Ireland. I can't believe how hot it's been. Like, it's been like, yesterday was 30 Celsius. I have no idea what that is in Fahrenheit for my American viewers. And today it's been 29, and the heat out here is insane. Like, we're just not used to this, and I'm just like, tank top weather, no way I can wear a t-shirt. I can't stop fucking sweating. Oh my god, I'm sick. Like, I have to shower twice a day. We are just not built for this kind of weather. It's fucking nuts. So yeah, tank top, that's why. But yeah, guys, just on today's quick episode, we're just going to cover basically DD, and just ask you a few guys my own opinions about what we're going to do next. Going forward, guys, I'm going to try my utter best to do a video every day. I can't promise it, but if I want to reach this goal of 300 euros to buy a whole new wrap for the project car, I've got to make content, and you know, I got to make it good enough for you to watch, and you know, get that AdSense up there. We're starting on 20 euros and we're going to build our way up. So that's the plan for me and for us going forward. This is the goal I'm setting myself for the channel. So guys, just today's quick video. Basically, DD have finally revealed that they are going back to LA. They're finally getting back there. I don't know which cars they've brought down. I'm not too sure, but you know what I want to hear from you guys in the comments is what you want them to do next, or what you want them to see going forward. Their latest video was buying another Murcielago, another V12, another gated V12, which is something that they're going on about. I don't know, like, I mean, I would love to, I know they have the Carrera GT, but I'd love to see them get something completely different, just for a change. Like, you know, the Viper ACR was a pretty good pick if they're going to go get it, but I suppose with the way the gated Murcielagos are at the moment, and they're so rare, I can see them, I don't know. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below what you think they should do. Also, with the LA trip, what cars you want to see them drive down there. Now, I know the Aperta has gone down there. I know the F12 twin turbo is going to be there. Aaron Kaufman is going to be there as well. I presume he's going to bring down the Murcielago. Dave will probably bring down 1 or 2 of his cars as well. I've said it before, guys, and I'll say it again. They really, really need to get a HQ. This is the next step for me for DD, as far as I'm fucking concerned. They need to get a headquarters where they can store the cars and just take them out for rips, because I do really like their content. The Canadian content for me has been, I mean, look, I don't know if anybody agrees with me in the comments below, but you're literally just going back and forth between August Luxury Motor Cars and SR Auto Group. That is it. Back and forth, getting the mods done. It's a bit repetitive. So, you know, it would be nice to see them go back to LA, get up to more LA shenanigans. But I would love to see them actually, you know, go and get a HQ. And then also the other thing, do any of you guys remember that they said they were getting a mechanic for the back of Damon's house for somebody to work on the cars? Is there any update on that? I thought they were getting somebody in to actually work on the cars, so they had their own mechanic. if they're going to end up going back down to LA, sure, what's the point of having a mechanic up in Canada? Because they said they're going to continue the Canadian vlogs, but they know their bread and butter is down in LA anyway, so I can't really see them staying up in Canada much. But I think, look, that's just me. But yeah, I mean, I hope I hope they start like branch out and go to a few different cars, and you know, I hope he brings down the 720S GTR. That's like one of my favorite cars in the fleet. That and the Murcielago. That is a must for me. I just love that paint job that he got done on it. But look, I just feel like I know they were looking for a HQ before down there, but I hope this time they will be able to take the step and actually find somewhere and have one. That for me would be a next goal for DD. But I don't know. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. Please do let me know what you think DD should do next, and what cars you want to see them buy, and what you want them to do in LA with, or what cars you want to see them to do down there. So guys, thanks a million again. Sorry for the long ramble. If you watched to the end, you're a fucking legend. As always, you usual people that always smash the like button. Again, please do keep smashing the like button. Please do comment. And I am going to try my best to keep pumping out content this week. Again, I really apologize to you guys for not posting enough in the last week or 2 weeks. But look, we have a goal now. This is the goal, to get new wrap for the project car. Just in that, guys, I'm going for my mortgage next month. As soon as my mortgage is approved and I've sorted and flatted everything out, I will be getting the loan for the new project car. That is basically what I'm doing. I know which one I want. I know what I want to do. It's all in my head. We will get there, so stick with me. So thanks a million, guys. I will have an episode out tomorrow. It will be longer, so please do wait till then, and until then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.